Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. What is up? Well, here you go. Little something new. Probably looked a little different on the last videos, right? That's because this is a 2023 Silverado 5.3 RST. Yeah, I got two-wheel drive again for all you haters. I don't go off-roading that much, but I like it when it's lifted, so this is what I'm doing. Let's get into it a little bit. We got Fox 2.0s, 1-inch lift, Cognito upward control arms. We have the Method 305s, double black, Toyo Open Country AT3s, 285 75 17s. Now, you ask if they rub. Nothing, like barely. Next size up, you're gonna have to do some cutting. So, with these tires, this is how you're sitting. Just a little bit coming out, but like my other one, I didn't want that on this one. I kind of wanted to mimic the Trail Boss in a sense of the stance and everything, and I didn't want to pay the Trail Boss money because for what, when I could get everything a lot cheaper. So RST, you guys probably know what they look like on the inside. I'm sure you see it in a bunch of videos. I had to get the center console. I got the floor mats. Windows will be tinted. Ooh, okay. So here's the back. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. It's kind of tucked a little bit. 1 inch in the back with the Fox 2.0s. Let me get you a little look in there. There you go. Nothing crazy. With the 1 inch block. That's how you sit. What sucks is they don't ship these with the inner wheel liner. I guess it's a back order, so you have to purchase them yourself if you can find them. If not, you got to wait for them to come in. They're about 150 bucks. So there's my RST badge. Let me cover that for you guys. So there you go. Plasti dipped, kind of. Ooh, look, doesn't matter. So I got, there you go, Revolver X4S. So once again, I went with the BEDRUG. Can't go wrong, man, for how nice and neat it makes it. And you know, they got pretty much a limited lifetime warranty on these, so they're pretty good when it comes to stuff happening to it. They sent me on my last one, probably within 2 weeks I had a brand new one. The X4S, sure you know what it does. Basically, it rolls up. It's a lot better. Sits nice and freaking low. You gotta push it down though. See, the heat over here kind of throws it off a little bit, but it's helping it settle, which is a good thing. So here it looks a little bit on the shadow part. Probably gonna debadge those or get them black. I don't know. What would you guys do in the comments? Go ahead and just leave a yes or no on the debadge. The front, here we go. You're gonna see some black. I'm gonna probably put some black right here and a black down below. Like I said, similar to the Trail Boss, minus the Trail Boss price. So you guys know what these things do, what they look like. Look at that, look at that. And of course you're gonna get the LED buzz. So go ahead and like and comment, and I will do some more. I got a couple more things to do. I'm gonna get some amp power steps, but other than that, there you go. Fox 2.0 with the 1 inch spacer on top. Cognito. This is the Cognito kit that you get. Upper control arm, Fox 2.0, and the block. Pretty clean. Oh, and the ride. We'll get into that next video. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, join the channel. We'll get to more videos.